Growing up as a child, I've always been a lover of pineapple coconut juice, particularly the Chi exotic product. I can actually stock the fridge with tea just to satisfy my cravings at any time. But recently, I decided to make this juice myself. So, guys, join me, let me show you how I made it. So, to make this juice, I actually got a ripe pineapple. I removed the crown, then peeled the skin. You need to use a very ripe pineapple for this just to achieve a rich sweet taste. So after peeling the pineapple, I divided it into large circles, after which I cut it into smaller chunks for easy blending. For the coconut, I decided to drill hole into the coconut eye in order to get the coconut water. I actually drilled hole into the coconut eye simply because I don't want to lose even a drop of the coconut water. So next, I went ahead to crack the hard shell of the coconut open using a kitchen rolling pin. You can choose to use any other hard tool of your choice. I also went further to use a knife edge in order to remove the remaining shell from the coconut, after which I gave everything a quick rinse. So after rinsing the coconut, I decided to grate it. This is actually an extra step you can choose to omit by just cutting your coconut into smaller chunks using a knife. So to make this pineapple coconut juice, I transferred the pineapple chunks into the blender alongside with the shredded coconut. I also added little water to it in order to aid the blending process, then cover and allow to blend properly. After blending, I strained the puree through a fine sieve in order to get the juice. I also went further to use my hand in order to squeeze out more juice from the chaff before discarding it. So I had to strain the juice again the second time in order to make sure I remove any particle that must have escaped the first time. You can actually see some of the particles in the sieve, and we definitely don't want it in our juice. Remember the coconut water that I kept earlier on? I'll also be adding it into the juice. This will actually act as an extra sweetener to our juice. So I then mixed everything together. Actually notice that there's little oil suspension on the juice. This is because coconut actually contains oil. So I then decided to scoop it out just the way I'm actually doing it. And guess what, guys? Our pineapple coconut juice is pretty much ready. This actually tasted so delicious, just like the packaged ones. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.